Hello and welcome to Doordarshan Olympic Updates. This is day 14 of the events and today in action were the men and women team in 4 into 400 meters relay. Dismal show from the women's team as they failed to qualify for the next round. On the other hand, for the men's team, although they missed qualification by 0.05 seconds but did fare well, finishing 5th in their heat in round 1. But first, talking about the women's team, 8th ranked and the timing of 3.32.51. This is Indian women's relay team, finishing 8th and failing to advance into the finals. Now, talking about the men's team, it was started by Mohammad Anas. He was the first person on the track and Indian team did put up a fight there as they ended with their season best, though not enough for them to qualify into the finals, missing it by a whisker. Men's relay team finishing 5th and failing to advance into the finals. With that, it's curtains for both men and women's 4 into 400 meters relay team. And now what's more in store for today? So there's golf action that's underway. Diksha Dagar and Aditi Ashok in action. Remind you, yesterday both finished round 2 tied 14th with both at 1 under par overall. The back nine has been an issue for both. Closing hasn't been great in case of both. Although Aditi started slow yesterday, she managed back-to-back birdies from the 6th to the 9th hole, and that helped her crawl her way back into the standings. But eventually the closing wasn't that great, and in case of Diksha as well, in the 18th she had a double bogey. It's also a hole which has water hazard. Alright then, the action is still underway and we've been bringing you live action of women's single stroke play golf. We now turn our attention to wrestling, where in bronze medal match, Aman Sehrawat would be in action in 57 kg category. Now he was phenomenal in the first 2 rounds but eventually falling to the Japanese opponent in the semis, and now he'd be in bronze medal match against Darian Toy. So Aman versus Darian, that would be around 9:45 p.m. He started off on a thunderous note. His first game against this opponent from North Macedonia, him winning 10-0, and subsequently in the quarterfinals he registered a win of 12-0. However, in the semis against the top-seeded Japanese, he fell 0-10 with the Japanese constantly targeting his legs and eventually toppling him with that win. Alright then, let's revisit what happened yesterday, क्योंकि कल भारतीय अंक तालिका में, भारतीय मेडल्स टैली में 2 मेडल की बढ़ोतरी हुई, एक सिल्वर आया और एक ब्रॉन्ज। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं जैवलिन थ्रो की, जिसमें नीरज चोपड़ा थे एक्शन में और सिल्वर मेडल उन्होंने हासिल किया अपने 89.45 मीटर्स के थ्रो के साथ, और उसके बदौलत भारत को एक सिल्वर मिला, इस गेम्स का पहला सिल्वर जो भारत के नाम हुआ। और वही नंबर 1 पोजीशन यानी गोल्ड मेडल रहा पाकिस्तान के अरशद नदीम के नाम। उनका थ्रो रहा 92.97 मीटर्स का, जो कि रहा ओलंपिक्स रिकॉर्ड। नीरज ने ये जो थ्रो, अपना सिल्वर मेडल थ्रो था, वो सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में मारा, बाकी सारे अटेम्प्ट्स उनके फाउल रहे। और हॉकी में भारतीय टीम ने 2-1 से स्पेन को शिकस्त देके ब्रॉन्ज मेडल अपने नाम किया। अब बात करते हैं मेडल्स टैली की, तो मेडल्स टैली में टॉप पर अभी भी मौजूद है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, 30 गोल्ड उनके नाम है। कुल 103 मेडल एकत्रित कर चुकी है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। पीपल्स रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना दूसरे पायदान पर मौजूद है, 29 मेडल उनके नाम। ऑस्ट्रेलिया, होस्ट फ्रांस तीसरे और चौथे पायदान पर, और फिर ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया, जापान, नेदरलैंड्स एंड इटली। भारतीय टीम है 64th पोजीशन पर। कल 2 मेडल आए, सिल्वर, एक ब्रॉन्ज आया, और अभी कुल मेडल 5 हैं भारत के पास। ऐसे ही हर 2 घंटे पर हम आप तक अपडेट्स पहुंचाते रहेंगे और लाइव एक्शन का सिलसिला तो जारी रहेगा ही। अभी जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद।